श्री बाईशा,
कई स्टेशनों की खस्ता
Please
हालत
start.
है। मुरादाबाद का रेलवे स्टेशन बहुत बुरा हाल
Thank
है।
you.
लखनऊ की राजधानी में जो स्टेशन
शुरू कीजिए जरा।
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir,
बुरा हाल है, तो मेरा निवेदन है
to allowing me
की भी हालत सुधारी जाए। धन्यवाद।
to discuss on the grants of the railways, Ministry of Railways. Sir, I am coming from northeastern region of our country. I am standing here to compliment Honorable Railway Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. Now northeastern region connectivity, railway connectivity enter northeastern region, sir. Northeastern region is a constitute of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, sir. This government has decided to connect it, railway connectivity, all the capital of the northeastern region. And accordingly, there is a railway connectivity. Now we have entered northeastern region, sir. So I like to request, Honorable Minister, there is a 7 state, and 7 states have now railway connectivity. I like to request, Honorable Minister, kindly have a separate railway zone in Guwahati for the northeastern region, sir. This is the long-standing demand of people of northeastern region, sir. Sir, northeastern region, although railway connectivity is there, sir, still today we are deprived, most of the part of the northeastern region, from the double-track rail line. We are deprived from, sir, electrification. I like to request to government, especially railway minister, look after the issue, and there is a electrification and double-track line between Bongaigaon to Guwahati. I like to request there should be double-track line to Guwahati to Dibrugarh, Lamding to Badarpur, Rangapara to Mukeksalang, sir. Sir, one more thing I like to request to the Honorable Minister, sir. Without this double-track rail line, railway transportation is not properly functioning, sir. So this too is very important. Again, sir, electrification. There is a lack of electrification in the northeastern region in the railway line, sir. I like to request Minister to look after. There should be electrification enter railway line of the northeastern region, sir. Sir, there is a certain railway hospital. One big hospital is Lamding, another is Maligaon, Guwahati, another is Rangapara, sir. So, I like to request, please expand this hospital immediately in the interest of the people of those regions, sir. Sir, unemployment is one of the major problems, not only northeastern region, enter India, sir. There is more than 10,000 grade for grade post is vacant in the NF railway, sir. I like to request, kindly fill up those posts from the people of northeastern region itself. It will be go a good message to the people of the northeastern region, and it will be helpful for the national integrity of our country. Sir, I like one more suggestion, sir. One more thing I like to say, sir. Mangaldoy, one of the very prominent city or town of northeastern region, but there is no railway connectivity. I like to request, kindly start railway connectivity to Mangaldoy, because you require just to construct only 45 kilometers or 35. There is a two-way from the Tongla, you can connect Mangaldoy, it will take 35 kilometers. And if you connect from the Rangia or from Bahata Sherli, it will take 30 kilometers only. If this will be constructed, then there will be railway connectivity will start in the Mangaldoy also, sir. Sir, Assam is one region northeastern region was the one.
Thank you, Shri Vaishya.
Sir, just a 1 minute, sir. Thank you very much given this opportunity, sir. So I like to again request you. Now you have given railway connectivity to the entire northeastern region. This is welcome move, sir. So looking after this region, sir, kindly have a separate railway zone for the northeastern region, Guwahati. And last several years to years, we are demanding, we the people of Assam demanding for a railway coach factory in Assam. I like to request finally have a railway coach factory in Assam in Bongaigaon immediately. Thank you very much.